So hi, yeah. So yeah, we'll see like how to install Putty and Puttygen and how we are using to generate the key. Yeah. So basically, we are using Puttygen and Putty EC2 instance. Yeah. So let's download and check how we can connect. So go to this website. This is the website, official website. So yeah. So we will go to this and download this. So for this we need to use 64-bit 86 installer. So for Windows 10 we are using. Yeah. So it will take few seconds to download. Then go for Puttygen. This is the official website. So we will go to the Puttygen website, download Putty for Windows. It will be same as like, but we need to check the configuration which is puttygen.exe, that is RSA and DSA key generation utility. In this we have to download. This you have to download. So yeah, it has started downloading and it installer has already downloaded. So we need to just click on the next part, like default. If you want to change some folder location, you can change from here and go to next and install. Yeah, do yes, that's done. Then Puttygen, this is already downloaded. So this is the basic step to download Putty and Puttygen. So now what you can do, I have written this steps here. So we will be, what we will be doing, we will be creating one EC2 instance. Yeah. So I'll be sharing those links. Like, so for launch instance, we will be doing. Suppose this is the test instance, test app. So we'll select Ubuntu and key pair is, if you are creating new key pair, just give key pair name test app key. So we have to make it this difficult, like RSA default things. So if you are using here, you can also directly you can download the ppk file. So if not, if you are not downloading ppk file, then we have to convert .pm file to ppk files. Because of that, we have are using this Puttygen. So in this, go to Puttygen and just load that file where it is in download. I think it has not been downloaded yet. Yeah, it is downloaded. So in Puttygen, you have to go to downloads. It is not showing where it is. So I'm not finding in download section. Let's check in test app key. Yeah. So in this it is. Yeah. Now it has been downloaded section. So go to Puttygen and click on load. So go to download section now, then it will come here. So before it we have to launch our instance, right? So just click on launch instance, test app. Yeah, so now this test app key is there, no? So just go to Puttygen and all files, then only it will come, because it was not showing since we are using putty private key files .pk, so we need to make it all files. So just download this, successfully imported foreign key. So this is the, you can say like private key. So give some name, test app key for putty, just save it. Then go to putty app, then give IP address, like public IP address we need to give. Okay, it's where we have created one application, right? Test app. So is it running? Go to EC2 dashboard. I think it is running. Yeah, test instance. Take the public IP. Just do it. Paste it here. Go to connection. Navigate to connection. While there you can see SSH. There you will see auth. So yeah, in the auth, so you have to accept it. So now it is getting login, right? So putty, what we doing, it is automatically taking the key which we have generated. So I'll show you how to use this key. First I'll open the putty. There you can type the IP address and go to connection. So yeah, we have to just open after downloading, after converting to ppk file. Just open putty, give the IP address, public IP address, then navigate to SSH. In SSH, like navigate to auth. Then there it will, you will see the one field is there, credentials. So in that field, just go to private key file for authentication. So just give that private key file which we have saved before, like we have generated ppk file, right? So this you need to give and you have to open it. Now see, it is coming as in this IP address. So give all the details like your instance name and everything. So it will be uh, getting connected. So yeah, it is yeah. Okay, then fine. So yeah, it should be RSA. So we can connect using RSA. Yeah. Oh,